Hi friends, today we have come to Rustamji Arbania, which is located in Thane on a Nasik highway. This is 2 BHK residential apartment. We have come to see the details and the daily site progress of the site, and we generally comes twice a week on site to check all the details and the design part. Today I will be running through few elements that will be taking in the elevation of our entire living room space with the detailed specification what and how we will be doing those. So let's start with first of all let's start with the entrance area. So this is our main entrance door. Here our niche, vertical niche will be coming. In that niche there will be cutouts in the niche, and here on the vertical surface and the top surface we will be taking floating panel. Those floating panels, they have a groove effect. So later we'll describe more about the exact material. And on this wall we will be taking this is a temple space. On this wall we will be doing paneling with Satvario lookalike laminate, and which will have a vertical groove, and there will be four equal panels. First panel will have mirror and then a Satvario lookalike laminate, and bottom there will be a storage, again that will be same with a laminate finish. Then coming to this wall, this entire wall has paneling with we are doing paneling with ply, and on this entire wall there will be wallpaper with grooves in between, and those grooves will have a T channel with a copper finish on it. Then this wall continues here, and this completes with a TV unit. So here our TV space will be there. This is a TV unit, and down we'll be making come here, let's here down there will be TV unit. Here TV will be mounted, and this entire wall will have same wallpaper all around. Now coming to a ceiling, we have taken a cove starting from this side and in L shape, and again opposite side there is a L shaped cove all around running through, which will highlight this entire wall. Then here what we have done, we have not taken typical window pelmet. We have taken full height curtains which will come from ceiling. So generally everyone does, they take a pelmet down and you have a small height window that kills the height illusion. So to give that linear look, we have taken a curtain right till top, and that will flow down. Now coming to this wall we will be putting MDF molding with space in between. So there will be three kind of a photo frame kind of a big moldings, one here, second there, and third there. So like this portion, exact here there will be a screen which will divide these two areas. So what we have done, we have taken this one area as a sofa sitting, and this second area is kind of a lobby area. Once you enter, you don't see directly family member sitting on a sofa. So once you are sitting on a sofa, so you have a complete privacy. If someone comes, knocks the door is open, they don't see who is sitting here. They won't be able to see who is sitting here because of the vertical screen. So this space will act as a normal sitting area. So today we have done with the entire living room space. Next time I'll be going through the kitchen, then 2 bedrooms, and the passage area, what elements, design elements we have taken and how we are doing. So those detailed parts we'll discuss in the next video. So be in touch and like our video.